In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize cash deposits in Freshbooks. We'll start by making sure your bank account is connected, which is a crucial first step in ensuring your financial data is up to date and comprehensive. By linking your business checking account to Freshbooks, the software can automatically import transactions, including any cash deposits. This automation can save a significant amount of time and help prevent errors associated with manual entries. Once your bank account is linked and transactions are imported, you'll be able to see cash transactions in your petty cash account within Freshbooks. Now comes the task of locating and editing your deposit. You'll want to identify the specific cash deposit transaction that you need to categorize. After pinpointing the transaction, it's time for categorization. Start by editing the transaction individually. Freshbooks provides multiple options for categorization. If the cash deposit corresponds to payment for a particular invoice, assign it to the relevant client. You also have the option to allocate the deposit to a specific project if it pertains to ongoing work or expenses related to that project. Lastly, consider that while deposits usually denote income, if the deposit serves as a reimbursement for a prior expense, it should be categorized under the original expense account used for the purchase. This approach ensures that your financial records reflect a true and clear picture of your cash flow and responsibilities. Once you've categorized your cash deposit, it's important to regularly review and classify all of your transactions, including both deposits and withdrawals. This regular maintenance keeps your accounting accurate and up to date. In terms of best practices, professional accountants recommend performing regular bank reconciliations. This process involves matching your internal records with your bank statements to address any discrepancies, such as unpresented checks or outstanding deposits. Routine reconciliation helps ensure that your books accurately reflect your current financial status, preventing potential issues, and assisting in well-informed business decisions. By following these steps, you'll not only maintain a clean and organized accounting system, but you'll also gain invaluable insights into your business's performance and financial health. Keeping track of every dollar efficiently will empower you to make informed financial decisions that can propel your business forward. So make sure your books are accurate and up to date by connecting your account, categorizing deposits accurately, and consistently reviewing your transactions. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay organized and proactive with your financial management.